Get back over
Stupid
there.
ass. We've already been allowed to go
No,
through.
you-
Yeah, we
allowed
have,
to go.
man.
He didn't allow
Take
you
that
back.
blue line flag.
Now you're causing a
Take
disturbance.
off
to
that
get
blue
back.
line flag, dummy.
Now you're causing a disturbance. to get back.
Look at this fool. Look at this fool. Look at this fool. That's a fucking Baynax right
drink
there.
in the cafeteria, sir. Am I not
Stupid
allowed
ass.
to
Get
go?
out of the way, dummy.
I left my drink in the cafeteria, which I bought. You my business.
You
now.
fucking old
I'm gonna
fool.
go
Get out of
grab
the way.
Got it?
Stupid ass,
Deal?
dude. Mierda.
I actually thought you were cool for a second when you first came up to the scene.
All these years we come to find out you're a turd.
People are gonna watch this. Thousands of people are gonna watch
Yeah,
this.
dude.
Decide for themselves. Okay.
Look at your attitude, bro. As wrong as you are, you're behaving like you're right. And look at you.
I'm just telling you.
You're
whatever.
unprofessional.
Show everybody, that's fine.
It's your type of officers that piss people off and get good officers killed.
Hey, what channel are you guys on? I'll look it up.
No, we ain't giving you guys nothing, dude.
You don't want views?
Oh, we get views.
Do you think you're gonna give me views that I need?
You're gonna be my first video.
They're gonna be my thumbs down. Especially this loser.
Hit this guy up. Hit this guy
Hey,
up.
thumbs up, thumbs down. That's all activity.
Look at this guy. Look, he's looking at you in your eyes, bro. He's looking at you in your eyes. Fucking weirdo. Padilla's a loser. Hey, Padilla, we're allowed to go in there, stupid. Think about it. Hey, we're allowed to go in there, right? It's open to the public, right?
In a public place, yeah.
Can you tell him-
As long as you're not disturbing the public or
Can you
interfering
tell?
with business.
Okay, is a camera in my hand disturbing the public?
Just walking around with the camera, no.
Thank you. Look
if
at
you're
him.
if you're impeding in someone's personal space, it's a different story.
Listen,
If you're
pendejo,
going
learn.
around and stopping business and challenging people and calling people names and stuff that could escalate into some sort of altercation, that's a different story. I'm not saying
Come
you
on,
are.
dude.
I'm just giving you
Come on,
parameters.
dude.
But that's not what we do.
But
Yeah.
if you're just walking through here and that's open to the public during business hours, you can hold a camera.
I asked
Why-
You can't,
why
you can't,
can't you-
but you can't walk into a manager's office and stay in there and start filming.
And you can't violate people's rights.
Because that's different.
Look at-
that's
you're-
that's not open to the public.
You're giving directives, dude, to things that we already know. I've done this how many times and I haven't been arrested?
Okay,
Think about that.
I'm not saying you don't know it. I'm just saying you're asking me a
You're-
question and I'm saying.
But yeah, you're
yes.
adding your blue line directive on narrative on top of that. But that's not the way things are,
I'm
bro.
not giving you a narrative.
That's not the way things are. You're
I'm letting
explaining
you know
it your
what
way.
you can do.
I know I can do
Why'd
that.
you ask me if you already know?
I would like you to tell this bozo right here that we can go in there.
As long as you're
Not
not
the way
disturbing
you were
business.
acting. or
Shut
causing
your
a
ass
disturbance.
up. Shut up, fool. Shut up, stupid.
not showed up.
How are we acting? How are we acting? Say it on camera, stupid. That's right.
No one started saying anything until they were assaulted. That's when the liquidation happened.
You know what's funny is you're old, but you're looking into the young man's eyes for approval. Look at you. Look at how sad you are. Look at the young man knows.
just keeping us
He knows more than you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you, dude. Look at it, still looking in his eyes. What's wrong with you? Are you on drugs?
What you should be saying is, I'm sorry for acting the way I
Well, that's not gonna happen, so.
Yeah, I know. We can tell. We know
You're not gonna apologize for being wrong to the public? You're not gonna apologize for being wrong to the public? Look at
You
America.
already know you're not guilty.
What's your name and badge number? Your phone is covering your name. I need you to identify.
You guys have said his name 100 times.
I don't know it.
Padilla.
You've already
We're
said it,
asking for
yeah,
a serial.
exactly. Said it again.
Free Padilla, but not you. What's your badge number or your
What's
ID
your
number?
serial number?
What's your serial number?
You find it out.
It's your policy, stupid. You see how unprofessional? Every chance you get to be a piece of shit,
He's taking it.
you take it. And this guy, and you know what, man? I apologize because I'm not usually like this.
I'm not
alright?
either.
I apologize, dude. And you seem very professional, and I can appreciate that, dude. But people like this, man, let him know. Just because he's older, you can check him.
It's not, it's not right.
Can you look at him and tell him they're allowed to go through?
He already did
He
that.
knows what the law is, as long as you guys aren't disrupting business.
Because I was allowed to go get my drink.
But I wasn't here earlier, so I don't know all
That's
the
your
whole
question.
story.
You
Hello?
have it.